How to put image into text in Photopea. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And let's get started. Putting image into text is mainly used in banners and commercial ads. It's very useful and makes the text look very beautiful. In order to do this, we're gonna apply something called clipping mask. So let's first create text, nature. Let's get a thicker font. Use this, and this is the picture that we wanna put inside the text. So let's drag it and import it to here. Increase the text size again, and here, and right click here, and then click on clipping mask. As you can see, the mask is now clipped, and if you drag this layer, as you can see, the image inside the text position is changing. And that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.